Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am walking through Dollar Tree. I just got here. I am literally in the Halloween section, so I kind of wanted to come and see what we can see for today. It is Monday. Yeah, so stay tuned. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to stick around. I got on my influencer shirt today. So yeah, so let's see what's in here. Here go all of the cute socks. Some of the ones that I hauled in my last video with the candy corns. And I dropped that one. Here's some witch socks with the buckles and the sugar skulls. Super cute. Look at the cute little brooms. Little witch broom. They could use some more tulle on the bottom, but it's still cute. They got orange too. Here are some cute flower crowns. These are adorable. They got the little flowers on them. So I see the turquoise and the peach, and then they have the pink one with the butterflies. Those are cute. So they have different ones. And this is what it looks like off of the thing. This is kind of flexible, so it'll fit probably any size head. These are really, really cute. Never seen those before. And here are all of the Crayola products. You still have the glitter crayons, regular crayons, colored pencils, the cute little erasers, sharpeners. Oh, look at that. Sun catcher. That is cute. They have different ones. More of the washable glue sticks and bottles of glue. And then there's the paint down here. Green, orange, red, white, and brown, and canvas down there. Oh, look, my store finally got in the Trinket Trays. These are cute, cuter in person than what I saw on Instagram. And this one says Dream. Really cute. They got 2 boxes actually. They still have more of these. And then what is this? Some water picture frames with glitter in it. Novelty photo frame. Oh, these are cute. And then this one. Oh, that's really cute. I like those. Here's more of the cute little dogs and the bubble words and all of this stuff over here. Oh, these are cute. This reminds me of the ones that you can get from Daiso. Let's see. So I see green, yellow, and orange. Here is a giant bottle of Nouveau hydration body wash. This is 32 fluid ounces. I've seen this in Dollar Tree before, but just not this big. Oh, look at here, you guys. Here's the vanilla iced coffee by Dakota. And they still have the mocha, but look at this. They have spiced pumpkin. Perfect for fall. Throw that on some ice and you can say forget the ones from Starbucks probably. Trick, I don't know. I haven't tasted that one. But I do like the mocha. I've just never tried that one yet. Okay, so they still have some of the same cups. The I Love Dogs and the Home is Where Your Dog Is. This one. But I see You Do You Girl. This is super cute. It's on both sides. And I saw this one, Faith, Family, Friends. together is a one. Oh, you know what? They have these bags. I just saw the bags over there, the reusable ones. But I didn't take a picture of them. But they have the same bag as that one. Stop dreaming and start doing. This is really cute. I like that one. And I think that's all I see. Oh, you guys, look at these marble plates. They are not real glass, but they are faux marble plates. These are really nice. And they have the bowls. Oh, I like that. And that's all I see for that right now is just the bowls and the plates. But those look really nice. Here is some more of the breast cancer stuff, and I see in this store the bath bombs in the breast cancer awareness shape. Those are really, really cute. They got these like pictures. That one says hope. I like that one with the symbol for the O. Here are the keychains that I showed, and this one even has some candles. Ooh, this one says fight, and it's in gardenia. This one is cherry blossom, and it says believe, and that one says fight again. I think that's all they say, but those are cute. Oh, here's some new stickers. 56 of them in here. Those are kind of cute. Let me see what's on the back. Oh, okay. I've seen they've had some like that before, but these are just different patterns. And these, I like the believe in yourself. Okay. Ooh, what is this? Oh, okay. You guys know how they always put out the Dollar Tree binder stuff. Here's some border stickers. Look at that. That is pretty. I like that floral. Life is beautiful as you make it. That is really, really cute. I think I might get this. I don't see anything else that goes with this collection though. And usually they have the binders and the stickers and all of that stuff. Okay, so I did spot some over here, and here are the tab dividers like that. This is all I see besides the paper, and you get 30 sheets in there. And here's some more pocket dividers. What does that say? Make every moment count. That's cute. The magnetic bookmarks. I like when they bring this up. Actually, I don't need any this time around. Every time they bring this, I buy them, but I don't need it this time. And there's the one for the internet passwords. And that's all I see as far as that. But I do see some new washi. I see the turquoise patterns. Here's some polka dots. That one. This one says happy day, and it's kind of like an ombre effect, so you got the blues and the pinks and the purples. That's pretty. This one says hello beautiful. Oh, look at this one. How cute is that? With the fox and the houses. There's like mermaid print. Some more cactus. These are different than the ones that was recently just out. Really, really cute. This one is like a marble or a watercolor. Always the answer. It looks like that. And then this one like a little starburst. I think I might get one of these. Do I need that? I really don't need it, but I think I'm gonna get one of those, and I know for sure I'm gonna get one of these. Here are some more magnets. I saw this one before. The grass is always greener where you water it. I like that one. I love the gold foil on that. This one says hump day, live in the now, pizza is my bae. That is so cute. And then there's a lot of other ones, but I like this one a lot. I think I'm gonna grab that one too. Here are some little crunchies in mild cheddar, and these are for crawlers 8 months plus. That one was, what did I say, mild cheddar. I see these in strawberry apple. These are so cute. And then I also see banana, and they're all for crawlers. Okay, you guys, so I just left up out of there. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough. Have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.